What if your invoices could practically process themselves, forgot rigid templates and endless corrections? We are about to unveil how UiPath groundbreaking GenAI goes beyond mere text recognition to intelligently interpretive PDFs. Hi, myself Gaurav. So today I'm going to showcase you how UiPath GenAI can be used to extract data from PDF and collecting that data in a CSV file. Here it is, the sample file, the PDF file, whose data will be executed and extracted from this PDF itself, right? So let me execute the bot itself. But before executing, I would like to explain how this works. Over here, we are using the read content PDF activity. Over here, then second, we are using the content generations to that is one of the activities of UiPath GenAI. Over here, we have been using the model. The interesting thing is we need to use the prompt. So prompt is being used to provide okay, extract structured data from the following text and written in a CSV format itself. And another thing is system prompt. Over here, we just need to write the what will be the system prompt that will help us to extract data from PDF using the model. Okay, now over here, it's going to extract data in a text, then it's going to convert it into the data tables and write it in a CSV file itself. Let me execute the bot. Over here, it's been done. Now let me open over here. Is this is the output file. Over here, you can see the data has been executed and has been placed over here. Okay, so that's it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment your new things, what you find interested in this video, and don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks a lot.